Shugor naga Khlem jong udong san Hima.
Menteri Katana PHE ubadairu ucaman ke Regional Committee jong ke West Coast Hills District uba Renik dan Lengdok Tongkar heni kesngi ulayatu ba Shim ladon nak Liang Pyrshah ban wani Shim Bynta hagani ke Jingïalang ke balakot da menteri rangba ke jela ukon rat sangma henrai Ïakren makin sngotu ya ke jingdon kam jong kene kamat bat kilenti ke ba ke sorkar jela kala Shim ban penbait no kloy ya uput usam Shushu ula ongru bakani ke Jingïalang jiaput bat ke jela asam kadai ke balane slempha ula benrap dah ke baong ke jing bamwani Shim Bynta jong ke Liang Pyrshah syakani ke Jingïalang kadai Tang maki kibatip na ke ai kadau ulai turu babarok ke bawani Shim Bynta hagani ke Jingïalang ki penpau dah ke baong bakalong ke bayaj bet bat ke basaiso ula ongru bawatla ke Liang Pyrshah kam semlawan bani Shim Bynta udon Ïakren makin sngotu ya ke jing don kam jong kini kimat bat na ke Bynta ke jing mentoy jong ki pajba jong ki arteli ki jela kata ke jela asam bat jela Meghalaya.
The traditional heads right from the KHADC, GHADC, both the CM has attended, and then some headmen and the CM of the Himas also have attended, and it's also very good to inform that the NGOs also at the second meeting at 2 o'clock. NGOs also has attended, almost all the leaders, representative of this strong NGOs in the state of Meghalaya, they have attended the meeting. And of course, the last part of the meeting, it is the political party meeting. On this, of course, we would expect to have all the political parties, but some of the political parties have not attended. So I think the reason is best known to them. But I'm happy to say that from the meeting, from the stream meeting that we had, the meeting is very positive, and we all discussed that as a state we need to stand united on this. We need to stand united on this issue, and we have also advised that unnecessary local small issues need not to raise during this time while solving the main issues, because there are sometimes that the inter-village problem, that the boundary within the village or the boundary of the Himas, such things are there, for which we have requested that it's better to show that we are united and we should not talk this problem at this point of time. Of course, as I said, we in fact expect that the opposition also to be with us, because we all know that they are experienced, they have got lots of experience, they may be able to give us good input and discuss with the government, but they have not come in this meeting. So I think they all know the reason is best known to them, and I just wish that even though they do not come in this meeting, but they will not be the reason, or they will not be a people to unnecessarily criticize in the step taken by the government. I hope they understand the seriousness of the matter. They know that it is very serious and is very, very important, the step taken by the government, and I wish they will cooperate. And we will all rejoice, because this is not the benefit of the government or any individual, but it is the benefit of the people of both the state.